in camp over there with stop the line. So one more. Yes guys, big up on yourself, big up, happy new year. Yeah man, they're on the tour today, the Holland Bamboo to be exact. Yeah man, so right now, you don't know, say me on the Great Fire Reid the boat. Yeah man, so we are link up on the road today, do some vlogs. So no stay tuned and watch for the epic content. You don't know anything go.
Yeah man, I don't know, say how, big up to that channel. What's your channel name again, my boss?
My eyes are yours.
Yeah man, so the collaboration. So big up on yourself anyway now, man. Subscribe to the channel, free of cost, free of cost.
Yeah man,
Subscribe to the channel.
And I don't know anything set guys. Yes guys, so this is the Holland Bamboo mission statement. Yes guys, so the stretch of the roadway measuring over 4 kilometers, approximately 3 miles, flanked by tall bamboo plants. It is an ideal example of how man-made infrastructure can be embraced of natural beauty. So guys, the Holland Bamboo Estate was from 1764 to 1851. So yes guys, you have a lot to learn about this thing here, and we have some nice breeze here today guys. So yeah man, so we are link up with the Great Fire Reid, you know. Yes guys, so we're stopping at the Holland Bamboo right now. Yeah man, we are buy some jelly from a lady. Yeah man, cause you don't know people drink a jelly, keep your heart pumping, you know, you wash off your heart and all of them stuff. So yeah man, the Great Fire Reid in there. Yeah man, so guys please remember, you know, like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah man. So stay tuned and watch what I go on.
Like you got me when the earth shakes, when the bombs scream until our last breath.